So I want to quickly go over keyword density. Keyword density is how many times a keyword is repeated on a web page. So let me just go down and find... Alright, so how to get rid of a head cold. I'm going to just look at this article real quick. So keyword density is how many times a keyword is repeated on a web page. Now this is important because when Google crawls your web page or Google looks at your web page, what happens is you need to tell Google what you want to be ranked for. If you have a web page like here on how to get rid of a head cold, but I really don't take the term head cold and put it in a web page enough, then Google's not going to think that that's what I want to be known for. You have to understand that Google is just a computer, so you need to tell the computer what you want to be ranked for. So on this web page, you can see how to get rid of a head cold is the H tag. The H tag is a header tag, so H1, H2, H3, or the different header tags that you can put. It goes all up to like H10 or whatever, but you know you can do an H1 or an H2 or an H3 tag depending on the formatting you want. But the idea here is to get the keyword as the header of your site. So this is very important to have the keyword you're going for, in this case how to get rid of a head cold, as your header. You also want it as the URL. So how to get rid of a head cold. Now these dashes are very important. You don't want to have a how to get rid of a head cold all one word. You want to make sure that it's separated out. Then it's also repeated in a title. And then you can see it's even repeated again at the beginning of the article. And then I'm sure in this article, the term head cold, as you can see it here, is going to start to be repeated over and over again. Now, you don't want to go too crazy. You know, here it is again. You don't want to go too crazy. You don't want to put, maybe for every 100 words in an article, you want to do max 2-3 times to repeat the keyword. But this is the very basics of keyword density. You have to put your website or the keywords in the web page. You have to put the keywords in the web page. A lot of companies come to me and the URL does not have the keyword. The title tag doesn't exactly have the right keyword. And I guess the last piece here is to make sure that it's duplicated. So the title tag, the URL here, and this H tag should all be the exact same. Copy and paste. That is also going to help. It's relevancy. You want to make sure that you're telling Google the same thing over and over and over again. So that's the very basics of keyword density. Thank you.